What's up, guys, and welcome back to another episode. If you guys are new here, make sure to smash that big red subscribe button down below. Hit that thumbs up and let's get into it. So as you guys know, not too long ago I removed the tint off of the taillights. After doing so, it dulled them out so much. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is, I got this kit actually from Harbor Freight. It's a Headlight Restoration Kit. It comes with pads and whatnot, and you attach it to your drill. We're gonna go ahead and get these buffed out. And then after that, I wanna go ahead and pull that front lip kit off. We'll get the car moved out. I wanna get that lip kit painted today as well. So it still needs some more. I know that looks really bad right there, but I don't know if you guys can actually see a difference, but look at how dull, okay? And then look how shiny it gets. I went ahead and finished that one up, but let me go ahead and show you this one. Okay, so as you can see, it's very dull. Alright, and here's this one. Much shinier. So the more I buff it, the more it's gonna just get better and better. So I just finished up, so go ahead and close the trunk. Look at that. So much better. We got the lip kit removed, literally just 2 and 2 on that side. When I do put it back on, I am gonna put a thing of 3M right here just to hold it more snugly. It actually does not look bad without a lip kit. But of course, you know, we are gonna get that back on. Let's go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and just do this really quickly. I'm gonna get all of that sanded down, get that center piece cap popped back out, and then let's go ahead and get all of that primered, and who knows, maybe we'll even throw down a little bit of paint as well. So I got the lip kit all set up, and I went ahead and just finished priming all of that. I don't really care about that down there just because the lip kit does come up very high, so I'm not concerned on that at all. So once that's dry, I'm gonna give it another little wet sand, and then we're gonna throw down a little bit of paint and blend it. Guys, I got the front lip kit primered. I'm about to start wet sanding it right now. Hopefully I have enough paint. If we do, what we're gonna end up using after that is what I used on my fender, is this gloss clear coat from Duplicolor, and we're gonna use my electric HVLP spray gun. Yes, it does work. If you guys watched my last video, you would know. So that's the game plan, and let's just hope all goes well. I just finished painting the front. It's not gonna have any clear because then I'm gonna have to pull the front bumper off. And like I said, guys, this is more just a temporary thing. That way the car just looks somewhat decent for a little bit. I'm gonna be ordering probably next week the actual color matched paint, because this is color matched, but it's a little off by a hair, just a little darker. So I'm gonna end up ordering that. We'll end up probably repainting the lip kit, the fender, and then the entire front bumper will get done as well. So most of the front end, basically. But for now, this at least will look halfway decent. Alright guys, I just got done eating lunch, and I already got the bumper, or not the bumper, the lip kit painted. Let me go ahead and show you that real quick. And then we're about to set up for clear coat, and that I will go ahead and record. But here's the lip. Looks really good. Alright. I'm excited to see this on. So like I said, we're gonna be using the spray gun and then some gloss clear coat Duplicolor as well. All right guys, we're all mixed up. I'm gonna set you up right here. Let's get this thing clear coated. Got the first coat on. Looks great. Let me go ahead and show you guys. Looks really, really good. Heck yeah, I'm excited. I'm gonna let this cure for about 10-15 minutes, and I'm gonna come back out, throw down this second coat. Alright guys, I went ahead and threw down a second coat. A heavy one, so I think 2 coats should be more than enough, and it looks really good. I'm happy. Whew, excuse me. I'm happy with it. Let me go ahead and show you guys. So it has a very nice gloss to it. I don't know how well you guys can really see, but silver is a weird color to spray. If you guys look like right there, there's like a blotch. I mean, I even see it on factory silver colors as well from the factory. I don't know why. Comment down below if you guys know why silver is like that. Is it because the metallic in it? I don't really know, but it looks really good though. And let me see if it's dry. I'll do the bottom. Oh wow, it's dry. Yeah, cool. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do now is pretty much pull the car in and get it mounted. Oh my God, guys. Just by painting that lip, it transformed that front end big time. I am so happy with it. Oh wait, let me put that one cap on real quick. I can't find that center cap. I had it right here and it's gone. Oh, it's right here. Sweet. But for reals guys, shaving this, it needs a little bit of work still, and we'll end up, you know, repainting everything for that for the most part, but damn. It looks so good. Once those clear side markers come in, oh my God. Dude, this car is seriously coming together quick. There it is, guys. Fuck, look at that. Looks so good with that silver. And then with the centers shaved, like I said, they still do need a little bit of work, but we're gonna end up re-clear coating the whole bumper as well and repainting it. I kind of want to paint the grille. What do you guys think? It kind of adds a cool little look being black, but I kind of want to paint it. But I know once the side markers are in, it's gonna look dope. I think I hear Shane. There he is. ¿Qué pasó, amigo? Can't forget the beer, huh? Of course not. You're gonna dig it.
You're too old. I knew you this was those wheels are sicker than I thought. So small.
What? The trunk?
About it, it's so small.
Well, I mean, it's not a freaking LS anymore, dude. It's a sports car. Yeah, I still gotta build that.
Can you do that today?
I don't know yet, to be honest. Maybe. I'm hoping. So, you like it though?
Yeah.
Guys, so I don't know what the issue is. So I think these ballasts are just trash, honestly. So Shane and I are gonna go ahead and run to the homie's shop real quick. We used to go there a bit to have our cars worked on. So we're gonna head back there. Pretty sure they're gonna have some pretty dope cars, but I'm gonna see about picking up some new ballasts and maybe headlights, I don't know. I have one ballast completely removed in the car so he can see exactly what it is I have, and then I'm gonna pick some up from him as well, and hopefully we can fix the issue for the last time. Guys, we here at JER, let's go see what they got. Walking right into the door, there they are. This shop is so cool, guys. Oh baby, a GTR. What the fuck? That's so sick. Got this beautiful Datsun right here. Okay, this light needs to turn green like right now.
Oh my God, he's like... Yo.
I'm back home now. Wasn't that big of a help going there. He said the ballast is actually good. The bulb is the correct bulb. He says it has something to do with the wiring. He could have done it for me, but he was trying to charge me, I think like $100 an hour for labor. No way in hell that's happening. So I'm gonna go ahead and just try to work on it a little bit right now, but I'm gonna go ahead and close this video out. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to smash that thumbs up. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of the front end. I think it looks so good. I cannot wait for those markers to come in. But subscribe if you guys aren't already. Stay tuned because we have a lot more exciting stuff to go down. Hope to catch you all in the next one. And until next time, as always, peace out.